It's Steph from Taking Off with Brooke and Steph. I am on the Carnival Radiance. It's the port day in Ensenada. It's actually in the right. I thought it was going to be backwards, but I guess this is the mirror image. Cool. We're in port today with the Grand Princess. So earlier today, there really wasn't much to film because we just took the little shuttle buses that you can see driving around here in the port to the shopping area in Ensenada. It was super hectic and overwhelming, so I didn't really film. There was a lot of pressuring sales and people asking for money, so I just didn't film it. We headed back onto the boat, the ship. I call it a boat, whatever. And just been hanging out in our room. Let me see, what are we going to do tonight? I'm hoping that we can catch the Deal or No Deal show. And we are going to catch the Love and Marriage show. We're going to dinner tonight around 5:30 to Cucina del Capitano, and I've never eaten there before, so that's going to be kind of fun. I just went to the Blue Iguana taco place and I got a taco bowl and a shell. It was delicious. No, just after a chaotic day of shopping, just wanted to relax and hang out. Here we are. Alright, and we'll take you along for dinner and the shows. Put our order in, and they brought us out some delicious bread. What are yours? The arancini, which are like rice balls with cheese. Oh my goodness, we got dessert. Check this out. That was so good. Now we're gonna go to the Liquid Lounge. There's a game show. There's nobody here and we still have to wait for an elevator. Oh, there's one. Ding. I lied. I don't know where I'm going. The ship is hard to navigate for me for some reason. I don't know why.
What's going on, Carnival Radiance? How you guys doing? Welcome here to the Liquid Lounge and Deal or No Deal. Who's ready to possibly win some great prizes tonight? Make some noise. All right, well, what I need you to do right now, I need you to flip up that bottom tab of your card, and I need you to look up here at the screen. If your number appears on the screen, you will be the first contestant in the show tonight.
I think I won a couple bingo cards. So we're gonna go play bingo tomorrow. Back in the Liquids Lounge, waiting for the Love and Marriage game show.
To the Liquid Lounge and the Love and Marriage Show. Now, if we have not met yet throughout this cruise vacation, my name is Ryan Rose and I'm honored to be your cruise director. But tonight, it is not about me, it's about you guys. Tonight, I am looking for some people that are in love.
Oh, the Love and Marriage game show. It's always a good one. I don't know if you can hear this. There's something in the water. We hit her at a complete stop. This is the strangest thing. There's birds over here. And there's some sort of weird splashing in the water over here. And I can't see what it is. Like, why are they just hanging out over there? What is this? There's something in the water down there. I think they're dolphins. Can you see? Can you see them? Are they dolphins or is it like some crazy fish? Oh, this is so weird. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. There it is. You see him? Like, we're not moving at all. We're just bobbing around. Oh, it's a dolphin. Or something, maybe. What is that? Or a porpoise? And the pelicans just landed. There must be a bait ball. Oh, this is weird. Oh, I could watch this for hours. Oh, they're dolphins. They are definitely dolphins. 3 o'clock in the morning, there's dolphins off my balcony, and they're hunting. So freaking cool. Alright, I've been out here for a good hour watching this, and I am frozen, and I need to go to bed. This has been so cool. Oh my god. And they make these funny little sounds like it's like a squeaky purr. They're awesome. Can't believe this. This is crazy. I'm so glad I woke up to